Welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. I thought it was a good day to get out here and see if Lisa can learn how to run this mini excavator. Because y'all, when I'm bucking logs, I hate having to get on and off. Not that I mind, I do it, but I thought I'll show her the ropes and get her out here and let her play with this big toy, and I'll be directing her the whole time, y'all. Thanks for stopping in. Hit that like and subscribe if you hadn't, and if you have, as always,
we appreciate you.
We appreciate you. Let's see if we can get this done and not have an accident. All right, raise it up. Turn your bucket all the way out. Spin that way, nice and easy. All right, take your dipper and go straight out. Left side, there you go. Keep going. All right, take your right hand and push forward. Left hand, push forward. Right hand, go forward. All right, use your thumb and come in. Raise the boom. Left hand. All right, curl your thumb. All right, take the boom back down and curl your bucket. Curl your bucket that way. Right hand. All right, curl your bucket. Your bucket, right hand, bring it towards you. Oh, I'm sorry. To your left knee. Right hand, you want to curl that bucket towards your knees. All right, hold it right there. Take your thumb and pinch the log. There you go. Pinch it tight. All right, you got it. Take the whole boom up. Take it straight up. I don't remember. Right hand, pick it up. Okay. Now, with your left hand, I want you to swing over that Alright y'all, that's Lisa's first time doing anything really other than helping me grease the machine. And you know, she followed instruction. I gave her a little crash course before she cranked the thing up.
Short crash course.
Very short crash course. Best thing to do when it comes to learning a piece of equipment, y'all, is get yourself alone out in the middle of nowhere and just learn it without anybody watching you. But y'all, it's good for people that are on a homestead to know how to use every tool that's out there in case one of you's got a broke leg and can't do it or something like that, y'all. But this is better than cleaning the house, ain't it? Y'all, she wanted to clean the house today. She said I did messed up her plans. Now she wants to sit right there. So we're gonna get this bucked up and then I'll have her grab a couple more, y'all. Alright, put your red handle back down and mash the number 3 button. That's where it says auxiliary. Alright, now your thumb is operable. Open your thumb up and that little piece will drop right out. See? Alright, let's grab another one. Let's get that furthest one right there. It's long ways. That kind of, it's a white oak, I believe, up there on the very top. We're going to get that one.
One with all the bark off of it?
One with all the bark off of it, yep.
Open
Yeah, you can open it just a hair, but actually you're probably good the way you got it. Go over there and just sit right over the top of it and pick it up. Oops. Try again. Do your thumb out. There you go. Keep doing it. Do both at the same time. Look at there. You got it. See that? Come on around. Come on around. There you go. Now just pick it straight up. Y'all, for some of you, I realize you might be like, man, I don't like watching somebody brand new running a machine. Well, everybody was brand new at some point when they started running one, and I guarantee you, if Lisa gets down here and just plays pickup sticks with these logs for a few hours, she'll get even more efficient. And as time goes on, as years go on, y'all, because it takes years, really, to get good with these skills as an operator, but Lord willing, we got plenty of years. We're gonna buck another one up, see how many Lisa can do before she wants to go back to...
I'm thinking you can go clean the house. You can go clean the house and I'll just stay out here and make logs around.
I ain't cleaning the house, y'all. Not when I can run this thing. Of course, I have to pry her out of the seat now. See, the real reason I'm doing this is if I can get Lisa good enough on the excavator, good enough on the farm tractor, and I can teach her how to run the saw. She already runs the Thin Blue Beast. I can just go fishing. Guys, my dad showed up. We were done bucking wood and he helped me get that T-handle off the sawmill. Brought over, I had half the tools I needed, so he brought the other, but he showed up with something pretty cool and we're gonna show it off right now. Dad, I want you to show your car off.
All right. Have a 1961 Dodge Lancer here. It's an Arizona car, wound up in North Carolina. It originally came from the factory with a slant 6 push button drive. The folks before I purchased it several years ago put a Chevrolet 350 from Summit Racing in it, built 350 with a double pump Holley 4-barrel and transmission with a shift kit in it. I think it has a 355 limited slip rear end, and it does a real good job. It's just a fun car to tool around in. It's a real attention getter. Folks really haven't seen, young people have never seen one of these cars. They don't know what it is. It's been called everything from the Batmobile to Back to the Future. And but Chrysler back in their day, they were pretty futuristic on their design, maybe a little too much so. My mechanic told me it was more aerodynamically designed in the rear, and he said if I would drive it in reverse all the time, I'd get a lot better gas mileage. But you know, I can't see that good. My neck's stiff. I can't turn it around, so I'm having to drive straight ahead, pedal to the metal, just hoping that old Smokey don't come sliding up on me. But I've had a lot of fun with it, a lot of conversation with people over it. But the main thing, it gives me a chance to witness for the Lord. This is a magnet that draws folks up to start a conversation, and most of the time before the conversation's over, I'm able to witness to them about what the Lord has done for me. And so I'm thankful for that. And I appreciate Matthew wanting to show it on his YouTube channel. That's pretty cool. I wore my cowboy hat today because I took my bride out yesterday to a milkshake shop to get her a milkshake, and 2 or 3 folks came up wanting to take pictures. I thought they wanted my picture because I'm famous on YouTube now, and I have my pen and my paper ready, and they just walked right past me and took a picture of the car. I didn't have my cowboy hat on. I told Faye. They didn't recognize me because I was traveling incognito. I won't do that anymore. But anyway, that's good to have a little fun. Thank you very much, folks.
Y'all, it's always a pleasant surprise when my dad shows up. And I like looking at that old car, y'all. And Lisa, she did a good job on Excavator for her very first time.
Thanks.
Now she don't want to get off of it. But I told her she's still got plenty of time to get in the house and get all those chores done she was wanting to do today.
But I thought you said okay to you doing them.
No. No.
Okay.
No. No is universal. English, Spanish, I'm not sure what else, but no means no. Guys, thanks for stopping in, watching us. I got to get all these firewood rounds put up into a mound so we can get the splitter in there after this rain passes. Supposed to be dropping any time. More rain, y'all. We're living in the tropics. I don't get it. Guys, have a good day, a great week. We'll see you on the next video.